Hello, today I have a 2017 Ford Explorer 2.3 liter turbo engine. I have code P0012 P0014 and this code is timing code, and basically it's kind of scare you a little bit, but I made this video after I cleaned the engine. There was a lot of carbon here, sludgy, sorry, and there is the two solenoid, that one for the intake and the other for the exhaust. Both is the same part number. Look what I find here. You can see how it looked like. See the sludge in here. That's why it's not enough oil going to the engine, and that's why the code, the computer is telling you that there's no enough oil going. So this is the new one here. You can tell the difference, of course. Even the look, you can tell how it look like. Let me show you the part number. This is the part number. Okay. I think I may bust it below. This is the part number from 4. This is 6, by the way, 6M280. Replace those. You have to remove the valve cover, and then these two solenoid with each one with 8mm bolt bolted to the engine. Get this out. You can try clean it and test it with a 12-volt battery, see if it's clicked. But for me, I rather to clean it up. I don't want to do all this. If it's on top, okay, but this is on the bottom, so I don't want to do all this. And if something happen again, and no, I don't want to open it again. It's kind of hard a little bit to get this cover off, to remove all this, the high pressure fuel pump line and all this on top, and you're gonna have to get all this aside to get this cover, valve cover off. That's it, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and if you have any questions, just comment below.